attempt to wrestle this floor on top of here and then try and slide it in so I can mark up where to cut it on the back there. So yeah, wish me luck on this. I was hoping that Dave might be here to give us a hand, but unfortunately he's working, so I wanted to get it done. So yeah, let's give it a go. Right. Well, now that's over, I might have lost a few ounces there. Yeah. Right, let's get on with doing something about this floor. I'm going to cut the back end off. I was going to joggle some of it, but there's very little of it that I can joggle after buying a stupid bloody joggler. Then I'm probably not going to use it now, not for this anyway. But yeah, so I'll end up butt welding it, because there's only two little bits about that long that I'm going to be able to joggle anyway. So I might as well just butt weld the whole thing, so I'll just cut it off. I've measured some of it on the other side. This is measured on this side, so we'll cut some of this, then I'll get on the other side. Have a little look. Right, around here. Right, that's that middle bit done. Get on the other side and we'll cut the other bits. Lovely. Right, there's going to be a little bit of guesswork involved. This is where I've cut through from the other side. I took a point there where I've measured on the bit of floor that's left on the car. So if we go from there to there-ish. There's a little bit out there. But do that. Right, I'll probably pull it there. That's the top bit. Let's go look at the bottom half. Right. Oops, that's moved. Let me move. Try and cut it a little bit bigger, at least we'll have some bit of room. That's there's lovely. Right. That's getting all cleaned up and a few repairs done on it. Let's get on with that. Okay, first of all, I'm going to work my way along this top edge here. It's, I did clean it up once, but it's gone a little bit rusty again. So we'll do that. There's a few little knobules. I'll take that first with a flat disc, and then we'll clean it up. Let's go. As you can see, there are a few holes. Well, maybe you can't from there because actually I've got a very wide camera lens. But yeah, there are a few holes. But anyone's worked on Cortinas before will know this is absolutely mint compared to a normal floor. So I'm quite happy with that. Let's try and flatten that out a bit. It's a bit cleaner in there. It's ripped a slight amount. Nice. To ground that off and all. Just remains the triangle. For some reason the Craper didn't have a little triangle on the back seat, I don't know why. Let's grind this off. Not used. Lovely. Well, not bad. Not bad for me. On the side anyway. Most of these little holes and stuff, I'm not bothered about the time being. I'll do them once on the car, but I just want to repair. There's a couple of little holes here in the floor. I think there's a little one at the back somewhere. I'll just fill them with MIG, and we'll go from there. Right. Well, we turned it over, got the other end on. Similar story around here, really. Need to grind a bit of that off. I don't know what's going on there. Is that where the triangle? Yeah, that's where the triangle went to that outside. So a bit of extra grinding to do there. Little bit piece I need to put in there because I must have sliced it off. And what else? There was something else. Oh, just a bit of grind off there. And then we'll move on down. Lovely. Probably can't see it particularly well from there, but there's a little split there. I thought there was, and yeah, just for it from the back. So I'll need to weld that and then grind it back down again. Just need to grind the rest of this seat triangle off as well. I can do on the other side. Let's do that. distance. There's a little bit to repair in there as well, just on the corner. It's not essential, but it's a bit bigger than I'd like. Right. Back in a minute. Okay, I've just made a piece just to fit into there. That's right, getting me way. Let's move that out of the way. Over there with you. Yeah, just put a piece of with a couple of clamps. So let's get welding. Let's tack it on first. Yeah, there's a couple of little holes there. Actually, it's a bit weak, the metal. There we go, and that's us. Let's grind it down now. Right, let's grind that down a touch. there's the hot, 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 hot. Right, cool that down a bit. Hot. Use my hand as a heat sink. Don't want to burn the tip on the marker. Come here, marker. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Very superstitious thingies on the floor. Alright. Don't stand. Superstition everywhere. Right, so we're going to do here. Get on there, you. Have no messing about from you. And as if by magic, a shopkeeper appeared. No, of course it didn't. No. A bit of floor edge appeared instead. There we go, lovely. On the inside at some point. Right, there's this little edge here. I need to do something with. I think I'll have to put a piece of metal in there. Alright. Back in a minute. Just getting about that time where I get itchy for some medicine. Okay, I've got that in now. Let's get some welding done. Right, switch it on. There's contact. Check I've got my negative. Yeah, we're all negatived up. Let's get the business end. Oh, don't do that. Alright, let's just out. There's lovely. That'll do. That'll do. Ow, get off. Let's put the wire over. Right. Just go over all the swabbing pool and see what we've got. That's enough, right. we'll do is a bit granular. Excellent. A little repair done. A little repair means it's a little bit closer to getting the floor in. Super. Right then, I've done some clean up off camera. It's only boring stuff, innit? Cleaning a bit of paint off and whatnot, innit? Yeah. Right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some holes in here to weld through. I'm going to do them about every inch. Thereabouts. Where's the last one? That's finished. Right. Oh, doesn't have to be too precise, but there we go. Just a little breaky poo. The old jogging thing I invested in. Those 6mm holes were a bit thin for me, so I'll just use it as a pilot hole. Get around the right way. Oh, I was in the wrong place. It's not quite gone through. Actually, do it that way up, it might be a bit easier. Go with the power one. Back in a second with AC power or DC power. AC before, DC after. Right, let's try again. That'll do. There's a few more to drill, but I'll do them when the floor's in. That's enough for now. Lovely. Hands up, all those people who want to see me struggle putting this floor in place to see if it fits. Let's go. Right. No, no, you're not staying, are you? Oh, you little swine. Lift it. What's the action here? I can't see what's going on. Right, you stay. Just while I look. Oh, you bugger, are you going to stay, are you? Oh. Well, that doesn't help. Yeah, lots of you saying, there's a thing stuck at the top. Ah. Oh, Jesus, nearly. Ah. That's the best I'm going to get at the moment. We're not far off. Right. That one doesn't work. I'm going to set up work. Help if they were adjusted better for my needs. A little less. Not far off there, to be honest. Not far off there, though. I'm going to whacking manoeuvre. Oh, time for the old rubber mallet. Yes. Excellent. Ooh. Oh. Hello. That top corner there is just a little bit too long. But it's better to be too long than too short, to be honest with you. So, it's going to have to come out again. I'm going to have to cut a little bit off it. God, I'm knackered. Mind you, I could do with losing some weight. Right. Actually, we're not far off there, are we? Yeah, so, yeah, just a touch off there. Oh, just a midges, yes. Right. I've taken the gloves off, I need to take it back out again. That's stupid. Let's put the gloves back on again. Right. That's better. Right. Let's cut some off the end. Back in a sec. Oh. Right, it's just this bit here. There's not much. I'm just going to... I'll do it by eye. Why not? Out. Hot. Sharp. Hot. Sharp. No gloves. How? Hot. Lovely. Right. Oh, Gordon Bennett. Right. Let's see if it'll fit this time. Struggle is real, part 3. Right. Rather annoying. Right.
Did you order a Chinese?
Did I
order a Chinese? Indeed.
Yeah, if you want to, love.
What do you want?
Surprise me, Bob. Surprise me. Right. Well, it went in a bit easier. That's not what it's like from the other side. Yeah. La 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 la. Oh, hang on. Oh. Let's get the old friendly persuader. Oh. Just in case it needs to persuade. That's it. Well, it's not pretty. Let's take in for a little look. Okay, let's have a little look. Let's go into the bowels of the beast. The bowels of the beast. Right, this end, of course it needs to be brought in. See it back from the other side. It's obviously a bit loose at the moment, loosey toosey. There's only 4 clamps holding it on, one in each corner. A little bit of a gap around there. And I'll bring in, and over here. That'll all pull in, it's not too bad. It's a bit tight at the top, a bit looser in the middle. But I mean, if I need to, I'll put a sliver of metal in there. It's a bit more than I thought, but that should match up really. And at the bottom, that's pretty good. That's all pretty good there. I'm doing a backward shuffle, bum bum bum. That'll do it. I've jacked up that corner as well to take the twist out of the chassis. It works better when it's on its side, to be honest with you. Right, let me get out of it because I'm squashed. And let's go around the other side. Let's have a little pit stop as well. There's lovely. Right. There's the jack taking the twist out. And that fits where it should, generally. Yeah, that's pretty level. Don't pull in anyway. And again, it's pretty much level where it should be. So we'll pull in. That's pretty much good. I think more than anything, it probably just needs to pull this way a little bit, the floor, and then it'll be a little bit better. I need to trim a little bit, I think, because as we come up, it gets a little tight. So I'll run the cutting disc over that. And again, that's where we are. So that's not bad. I'm quite happy with that. Quite happy. And let's stand back and admire today's handiwork that you've been along with me for. There we go. Lovely. Nice. Well, that was part 18. Oh, what a floor-tastic episode it was. Lower bulkhead is in, and we have the floor in place, ready to weld. So ice cream and strawberries all round. Next time we're welding the floor, and there will finally be some strength in the old doily. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in part 19. Bye for now.